Success of a young kid with 12 years old international master Faustino Oro in Argentina faces by with lose from this Spain with Grandmaster Daniel Yufa. So what do you think about the best of these challengers round number 11 in Tata Steel Chess? So let's see the studies of these games here. White pieces with Faustino Oro in Argentina versus black pieces Grandmaster Daniel Yufa in Spain. So 2 rounds left, so it means today's round number 11 in challengers, so it means I'm sorry I got late from this analysis of these chess videos because I'm gonna rest and very tired. And no more typhoon bashing, so lots of these low pressure areas here. So 2 hours of this long game in round robin without standings after round number 11 in challenger Tata Steel Chess. So white plays Fausti is e4, c5 Yufa, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3, e6, and also pawn d4, capture this pawn, knight takes captured, and also knight f6. It is called by this one with openings with Sicilian defense 4 knights variation. So this is a variation controls with 4 knights here. And also pawn a3 without move controls with Fausti without no more by bishop b4 because this is a more of this one we connected from white pawns here. And also pawn d6 with Yufa, bishop e3, and also bishop e7 with Daniel Yufa without upcoming playing castling kingside here by next of this one castle. And also bishop e2 with Fausti by upcoming next castling kingside with young kid here. Castle kingside with Yufa, and also queen d3 because this is a queen d3 here with young kid without upcoming by left side queen side or right side by king side here. So this is a king side. And also knight takes d4 and also bishop capture. So talk about novelty. So it means knight captured. So this is a novelty. So this is the old main lines here by in the year of 2021 with Abhimanyu Mishra is queen to a5 here. So queen a5 according with 2021 round number 9 of 10 with Leon Benduka versus Abhimanyu Mishra. Or maybe here by e5. So e5 here. So it means 2 types of these old main lines here. So queen a5 or pawn e5 is a old main line. So it means third is knight captured novelty with Yufa. So this is a novelty. And also bishop captured, and also e5 threatening the bishop. Bishop again backwards, and also bishop e6 by Yufa, castling queenside. With a castling with Faustino Oro, and also rook c8 with Yufa without more from this rook c files with pins, with knights and pawns with kings here. And also pawn f3 with Fausti, and also a6 by next of this one with b5 here. This is a next of this maneuver with pawns. And also g4 without next by this one with h4, or maybe here by g5 here. So this is a very strong by young kid here. And also rook c6 without move controls, without moving by this one, without coming by queen to c8 here. Without rook c6, so this is a first given bad move of this Yufa's computer engine here. So the best move this one is queen to c7, queen behind the rooks here. So this is a once of this computer, so etc etc. So this is a good slightly advantage for blacks. So back there, this one is rook c8, c6 with Daniel Yufa, and also king b1, good move with young kid Fausti without property active with kings here. Knight d7. So what the plans with Daniel Yufa, or next here by maneuver is knight to c6, I mean c5. So knight c5. So knight c5 is a next maneuver, or maybe here by knight to b6. So it means again, so it means without next by knight to c5 or knight to b6 here. Because knight c5 without threats the queens here. This is a 2 times here with also my top pronouns here. And also with Fausti is knight d5, very strong move. Without idea with Fausti by threatening the bishop here. and decided with Yufa, bishop captured knight, takes with the threatening the rooks, rook backward c8, and also h4, good move. With that idea with the Fausti by g5 move here. So this is a move here. And also, queen a5 with a move, strong move, so another bad move with Yufa. So the best move this one is knight to c5 here, threatening the queens here. So this is a threats the queen. So if you move by queen d2 backwards here, and also pawn to b5. So this is a once of this like of this computer. So this is a good slightly advantage for blacks. Okay, so back there this one, queen a5 with Yufa, and also g5, strong move, successful with Faustino Oro, very strong move here. And Yufa is knight c5, so this is a nice move, good move. So it means without grandmaster, without idea, with knights threatening attacks the queens here. And decided is queen f5, very strong move with Faustino Oro. So very strong move here. And also knight a4. What's the plans of this one with Daniel Yufa? With that idea with... Wait. I cannot move up this queen. Cannot move up this queen because this is a more diagonals here. So this is diagonals with bishop, with light square and dark square. So how will you controls from this one with queens here? And also bishop d3 with Faustino Oro here. And also g6 with Yufa attacks the queens, queen g4, and also pawn h5 with a threatening the queen. Empress had captured with Fausti, bishop f6, and also bishop backwards d2. So it means without bishop backwards d2 with Fausti without threatening the queens here. So this is a threats. And Yufa is queen b6 with that idea by threatening by mating net. So threatening by mating net, so without kings with check, so it means threatening mating net because this is a targets with knights here. So this is dangerous for whites here. And Faustino Oro is queen captured knight. What? Wait, oh, so it means because, so this is a leave it the queens, so it means if you leave it the queens by defense the knight, so it means, so ready from attacks with counters attacks with knights here. So it means with the Faustino, queen captured knight here. And also e4, sacrifice. So sacrifice threatening the bishop. And also queen b4 without challenge, queen to queen. And in accept Yufa, queen takes, bishop takes, and also captured with, wait, oh, captured with bishop. So it means, oh, same by dark coloring bishop, by same coloring bishop with dark square here. And also rook takes captured here, so rook takes captured, bishop e5 with Yufa, and also rook e1, and also rook fd8 with the pressure without this one, with defense of this one with rooks with pawn. So why rooks defense the pawn? Because this is a bishop with the threatening the pawn, so this is no more pressures here. So it means without rook fd8, so this is a defense without bishop and rooks without defense the pawns. And also f4 sacrifice with the threats the bishop here. And also bishop f6. So this is a highest evaluation bar with white. So this is a problems low evaluation bar with black. So this is a marked bad move by Yufa. So the best ones of computer, bishop capture pawn. So if you bishop takes f4, bishop takes f4, so it means if you rook to e7 here, and also without threatening the sacrifice with rooks with pawns here, and also rook f8 defends the pawns here. So if you rook to f3 without threatening the bishop here, so how do you controls here? And also rook to e5, is that true? Rook to e5. Bishop e5, sorry. So bishop e5. So bishop e5, so it means, so not rook Rook e5. So I thought bishop e5 is a right move. I'm sorry, I got wrong notes here. So I thought wrong by rook e5. So correct, bishop e5. I'm apologize from wrong interpretations here. So bishop e5 is a correct move. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks here. Okay, so back to this one with movement is bishop f6 with Yufa and also f5 sacrifice. With that idea with next by rook g1. Because this is a more controls with sacrifice with pawns here. And also bishop captured pawn with a disturbance with threatening the rook. With the threatening the rook. And also rook e4 with a threatening the bishop. And also g5 defends the bishop here. And also rook e7. So this is a strong move with Faustino Oro. With that idea, with that disturbance threatening the pawns here. With the threats the pawns. Or maybe with that rooks threatening the sacrifice the pawns here. And also with b6 pawn with Yufa here. And also rook d e3 battery. And also rook c4 with a strong move here with that upcoming by battery. So this is a battery controls. And also bishop c3 and also king h7 with the king must be active. And also rook 3 e6. So this is a more controls with double battery here. Because this is a defense. Why? Because if your king moves here, so if you king moves from this one with h7 with the threats the pawns here. So with the decided with Faustino is rook 3 e6 defends the pawns with h6 here. And also rook f8. Why? Because this is a rooks here with a threatening the pawns with check. With a check here. With that idea with Yufa is rook f8. So it means without defense, without no more by rook captured pawn. Because this is a movement, if you rook captured pawn, so it means rook captured here. So this is a no more rooks. And also bishop g7. Oh my god, very strong move with successful with young kid with Fausti with that idea threatening the rook. So very dangerous from blacks here. And also rook cc8 with movement with a defense sacrifice. So sacrifice with Yufa. And Faustino bishop captured rook, one rook down with Daniel Yufa. Rook captured bishop. So this is a more controls with two minor pieces with rooks with Fausti and with rooks and bishop with Yufa. So this is a more two minor pieces here. And also rook g6 here. Okay, rook g6. Do not, so avoid capture with pawn capture rook because this is a rook with a dangerous with check here. So this is a very dangerous from blacks. And also g4 without movement by Yufa. And also rook c7 with Fausti. g3. With that idea with promotes by queens here. Without promotes. And also rook g4. So this is a last move with the end of this challengers round number 11. So resigns by Grandmaster Daniel Yufa. So it means, so why he resigns? For example, so if a king captured pawns only move with Yufa and also rook captured h4 with check. So no more one piece down here. So it means loss from blacks here. Okay, so congratulations by successful of young kid with the challenger. So the score with Fausti 95.1 and the score with Daniel Yufa 88.5. So the winner Faustino Oro. So 2 rounds left between next of this one with round number 12. So I will choose of this one with masters here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and don't forget by subscribe by notification below bells in this my YouTube account Mark Loagi 17 in English speaking and Mark Loagi 17 part 2 We did speak Cebuano and Tagalog, so don't forget by subscribe by notification below, and don't forget to watch up my videos with viewers, and don't forget to like and the comments here. So keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.